We are asking all providers to provide boosters to any adult in the state of Utah who would like to receive a booster, since we are in a high-risk situation.
A huge announcement from Governor Spencer Cox today about COVID-19 booster shots.
Every adult in Utah will now be offered that vaccine booster. Fox 13's Ben Winslow has the story from Utah's Capitol Hill.
The governor's announcement effectively bypasses the CDC by making everyone in Utah over the age of 18 eligible for a booster shot.
Because of the elevated COVID-19 cases right now in the state of Utah, almost all Utahns currently reside in a high transmission county and therefore are at high risk of contracting COVID-19, especially the Delta variant.
Governor Spencer Cox is using Utah's high rate of COVID-19 transmission to justify offering every single adult in the state the chance to get a booster shot.
It's so confusing that no one knows if they qualify. And so we just want to make it very simple, especially as we're heading into the holiday season.
The move is also an effort by state health officials to try to get control of high COVID-19 cases.
And unfortunately, here in Utah, we continue to have very high rates of transmission. We've seen quite a few breakthrough cases. Luckily, those breakthrough cases are generally very mild, but they're still occurring. And we realize that the best way to get under control and to protect our population is to get everyone boosted.
The Utah Department of Health says COVID-19 hospitalizations right now are exceedingly high.
In our ICUs, we had 0 beds in the Intermountain Healthcare System, and we're teetering on nearly full occupancy levels based on the numbers of available staff.
The governor says the best way to prevent it is through vaccines, but he did sign a bill granting some exemptions to workers facing a vaccine mandate imposed by a private employer.
I did say that I would veto any bill that had an outright mandate prohibition. This did not have that.
The bill allows employees to claim a religious, medical, or personal exemption and get some kind of accommodation, like working from home. But lawmakers did water it down to say if that person can't be accommodated, they can still be fired.
This is a way to really get more people vaccinated, but to eliminate some of the fighting and make sure that people can still work and provide for their families.
Now, those booster shots will become available to all eligible Utahns beginning Friday. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.